Yeah. So good morning again. My name is Wraysoul. That's Wraysoul. And that's on everything. Social media handle for everything. So, we're done with 2019. This song is called Release the Struggles. And we're gonna leave the struggles in 2019. Cool? Alright. One is stress and misery. It's mental warfare in the ear. Crime and criticism. This whole life is like a prison. We're all living out there in fear. But the truth is now before you, standing right in front of you, telling you to go to the King. Hey, him have the answer, him have the key for your life and everything. The Most High is living in your heart, is living in your life. You know you have to make the sacrifices, cause him have the antidote for the struggles running in your life. You can't live without dying. You can't smile without crying. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Release the struggles, yeah, yeah. You can't fly without fear that your whole life is being swept away. Release the struggles. Listen. A lot of times we cry and we feel sorry, because life rough like literally. In our hearts we feel in pain and we try to ignore it. But God will never give you more than you can bear. So put your trust in him, he understands your tears. Hey, he's always there, yeah. You can't live without dying. Yeah, you can't smile without crying. Yeah, 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 yeah. Release the struggles in your life, yeah, yeah. You can't fly without fear that your whole life is being swept away. Release the struggles, yeah. Listen. Even though it looks so bliss right now, no, and life is unfair, don't wake up and look at despair. Look to the sky, from whence cometh your help. Walk with a head held high, cause Jehovah will provide. You can't live without again. You can't smile without congregating. Yeah. Release the struggles in your life. Yeah. You can't fly without fear that your whole life is being swept away. Release the struggles. Yeah. Yeah. Release the struggles for 2019. We can't bring it in 2020, don't? Yeah, man. Same song. Release the struggles.